Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing the final battle of Burst on this channel. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? Okay, this is getting boring. Get that shit out of here. It's time for something new for this channel. Beyblade Generation X is finally here. This is the BX-07 starter dash set. In the back, Dran Sword, 360 and flat. The launcher, or string launcher. Let's get it out, shall we? Finally, after whenever this came out, yeah. After so long, oh shit. Okay, yep, there. I had it backwards. And then okay, the launcher and everything like that. This is a decent size for the launcher. Ooh, shit. Shit, let me pass this. Sorry about that, guys. Ooh. Yeah, it's big. Oh, wow. Brand spanking new. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Shit. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to get this situated. Where's the launcher? Finally getting this. Okay, I'm back. I get everything out. There's the tools and everything. I'm not gonna show that because I'm gonna get that thing for it. Okay, here's all the launchers and everything. A little custom combo. Might as well try that out a bit with the app and everything like that. And here's the instructions. So, spin finish on 1 point, burst is 2 points, side pockets are 2 points, and extreme finish over here is 3 points. And these are pretty cool. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm back. All put together. Let me get the launcher and the grip. Ooh. That's nice. And I'll say that's a bit easier. Actually a perfect fit for my hands. String launcher. Beyblade Generation X. 3 prongs. yeah. And finally, the Beyblade. This is the recolor for this set. Oh shit. Okay, oh shit. Here's the bay itself. The little clips. Really, really small. The ratchet. And the flat tip. You probably guys already saw this, so it's locked in. God damn, this is tiny. And my personally first launch in this series. 3, 2, 1. Okay, after a few days that you probably will see. So let's get him or her. Over finished. Or yeah. One more. Full battles of these guys coming soon. Oh yeah. And arrowhead time. Heavy hits. Oh god damn, yeah. Let's see how this goes. Quickly get all of them in here. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.